How to download and install IPVanish VPN on Windows. To get started using IPVanish for Windows, you will first need to download and install IPVanish for Windows. After you have successfully installed IPVanish for Windows on your PC, you will be ready to connect to our VPN servers for the first time. Watch the videos below to help you get started encrypting your internet traffic and protecting your online privacy. How to use IPVanish for Windows after you have installed IPVanish using the step-by-step walkthrough guide below. Have a look at our detailed Windows user guide to learn how to use our app and take advantage of all of its great features. Step-by-step install walkthrough. The following guide will walk you through how to install the IPVanish app on a Windows device. 1. Log on to https://www.ipvanish.com. From your favorite browser and navigate to Apps Windows. Download Windows app or download it here at https://www.ipvanish.com/software/setup prod v2/ipvanish setup.exe _GA equals 2.26307297.1500044.16925-169478310.15981764339. 2. Double-click on the downloaded file to run it. 3. Click on Next button on the welcome page of the app. 4. Scroll down to read the licensing terms and click the checkbox to accept the agreement terms at the bottom of the window. Click the Next button to proceed. 5. Choose a file location to install the program files. In most cases, the default option is sufficient. However, users with external drives plugged in should confirm that the destination directory is placed on the internal drive. If you prefer to save the files in another location, click Browse and select as appropriate. Click the Next button to continue. 6. Click the Install button to begin the installation and select Yes in the pop-up window. 7. Click the Run IPVanish button and select Yes in the pop-up. 8. After installation is complete, you will be redirected to the user interface of the app as shown below. Provide your IPVanish login credentials. Replace name at domain.com with your username.